स्टेलर अकॅडमीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी नीट परीक्षेत उत्कृष्ट कामगिरी केल्या. त्यांच्या टॉपर निया इजिप्सीन 720 पैकी 624 गुण मेळयले. नीट परीक्षेत मेळयल्ल्या यशा खातीर अकॅडमीचे संस्थापन आनी संचालक योगेंद्र सिंग सिकरवार हांणी विद्यार्थी तशेंच पालकांची तोखणाय केल्या. तशेंच फाटल्या बॅचीच्या तुळेंत ह्या वर्सा स्टेलर अकॅडमींतल्या निवड जावपी विद्यार्थ्यांची संख्या चड आसतली अशेंय ताचें म्हणणें. पेपर फुटी आनी री-एक्झामिनेशनाक लागून विद्यार्थी आनी संस्था दोगांय खातीर हो काळ कठीण आशिल्लो तरी नीट परीक्षेत विद्यार्थ्यांनी उत्कृष्ट गुणाच्या बळग्यार स्टेलर अकॅडमीची गुणवत्ता परतून सिद्ध केल्या.
Hi, my name is Nia Egipsy and I am a student of Estellar Academy of Excellence. I am very thrilled that my hard work has paid off and has brought me the achievement of being Estellar's NEET topper for 2026 with my score is 624. I also got 97.8 for JEE and 96.6 for my board. I got 96.6 for my 12th boards and I was state topper for French and psychology. Reading the NCERT thoroughly, getting your concepts clear and asking the teachers if you have any doubts. Solving many problems, the PYQs especially, and most importantly analyzing your mistakes helped me achieve this milestone. After the first NEET got cancelled, it was definitely harder to study for Re-NEET, but I am thankful to God for always blessing my efforts and helping me to succeed. I am also thankful for my parents for always being there for me. All the modules from Stellar were definitely helpful in achieving this success, and the MTGs as well. All the DBPs which Stellar had given, just solve them and it will really help. I would like to thank my teachers of Estellar in a special way. Besides being excellent teachers, they have always been supportive, friendly, approachable, and they've always motivated us to give our best. My elder sister was also a student of Stellar and she's now in MBBS, and I would definitely recommend all my juniors to join Stellar.
We are extremely proud of her achievement, and with immense pride I can say that the credit for the success in a very big way goes to her efforts. Nia has been very consistent over the last 2 years, doing very well with her mock tests, which I believe play a big role in preparing for the NEET 2026. She has got a very good score at her board exams, at her JEE mains, and finally with the Almighty's blessings and with her very dedicated and disciplined approach to studies, she managed to keep her cool in the face of the cancellation of the NEET and having to re-answer the Re-NEET all over again. And she has succeeded in achieving her dream by getting a good score in the NEET 2026. I would like to express my gratitude and appreciation to the teachers of Stellar, who have always been a source of great motivation and guidance to her, and helped her to achieve this goal of hers. At this point, I would also like to state that my eldest daughter, Yudasha, has also passed out from this institution and is presently pursuing her second degree at the Goa Medical College. Presently in the second year at the Goa Medical College.
Today we have celebrated our NEET result of 2026, in which we have felicitated many of our students who have done remarkably well in the exam. From our Stellar, we got 624 as the highest. She is Nia Egipsy. She was a student of our 2-year integrated classroom program. And this year also we have done really well, and our number of selections will be higher than the previous years. The result is still compiling, and as the compilation is happening, the more and more number of students are getting added. And this year also number of seats are increased in GMC. So with that, the number will definitely go higher, and we are thankful to all our students who worked really hard. They followed all our instructions. I am also thankful to all the teachers who gave their best and motivated, guided these students throughout the process. Especially during the phase when paper got leaked and Re-NEET was announced, it was a very difficult time for students also as well as teachers, because student can show their panic. Student can tell that they are feeling pressurized, but we teachers, we need to be
support system for the students. We cannot even show that the pressure is on us also. But at the end, it went very well. And I congratulate all the students who have done remarkably well. I also congratulate their parents. I also thank all the students and parents who repose their faith on us. And this year we gave JEE topper in IIT Advanced. We also gave BitSat topper. We got second rank Nia Egipsy in NEET. We missed narrowly through with some marks in NEET topper also. But next year we'll be doing better, and we'll try to get all three next year.